Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today we got a special treat. Just came in the mail. That's right, let's get it out. Here it comes. Oops, dropped it. Look at that. We're going to open this up and we're going to show it off and see what we can build out of it. Stay tuned. All right, let's open it up. Take that cover off. Isn't that a great cover? Just like the original. Comes with a trailer, stripes, wheel covers, white walls. It's great. Bunch of options there. There's our boot, tires, trailer hitch, hood scoop, it's clear. Side mirrors, neat. All right, let's get this open. I'm excited. It's a tight box. All right. Well, there's our tires. Take a look at them. Got some nice white walls for the car. Those are nice. And it's like some bias ply type tires for the trailer. Look really good. No name on them. That's all right. And there's the slicks. No name on those, but you could decorate them and sand them, make it look really good. They're really stiff, really thick tires. They're solid. Really nice. All right, well, the boot's inside the car body. Really nice. All right, here's that body. Oh, here's our little axle. Don't lose that. There's our body. Look at that. Man, that's nice. I noticed down here, it's got the little Chrysler emblem. Can you see that? Right there. That's pretty good. Turn signal indicators on top of the fenders. Grill surround. Very nice. And it's got a really stiff, good feel to the plastic. It's really nice. All right, here we go. Got two hoods it comes with. Axle, traction bars, there's horns, battery, washer fluid container, another hood scoop. It's like maybe a custom grill or a rear, I'm not sure. Radiator top. And there's our engine. Now look, it's a big block Chrysler. I don't know the size. I'm not very good on my Chrysler products. 383, 440, something like that. Looks good. I like it. It's a nice looking engine. Look at that air filter, how detailed it is. Carburetor, man, that's slick. There's our side panels, door panels, and rear seat with seat belts on there. Really nice. And there's exhaust pieces. I don't know what these circles are. Not sure. Anybody knows? Lay it down in the comments. There's the stock seats and the custom seats. Steering wheel, roll bar, dash, wheel backs there. Back of the seats. Really nice. There's the firewall, power brakes. And this is part of the trailer. There's a trailer hitch for the car and it's like a jack. Parts of the trailer there. That's great. Here's some more stuff. Gas can, toolbox pieces, wheel box. There's a trailer. The axle for the trailer, springs, and the handle for that jack right there. And here's some jack stands. There's our mirror mount, our fender mount mirrors. 4-way tire tool there. There's the glass. What I thought was pretty curious was it has these clear lenses and these red clear ones, like a fire chief or police car version, but convertible. Doesn't show them in the book anywhere. Could be a version coming out soon with a hardtop. I don't know, but it's pretty neat that they're in there. And here's our chrome tree. We got the stock hubcaps there. There's these really nice Kragers. Look at them. You got some nice chrome headers there, grills, console piece there. Very nice. This is very nice. Now here's our decals. Get them out there so you can see them. These are great. Got the Super B stripes there. Other stripes, there's some like flower power stuff. B. Trailer decals. License plates. Other emblems. This is really nice. They are really nice. And then here's our book. Right there. This is a great kit. I'm going to do a video on building it. So watch for that. And in the meantime, go to your local hobby supplier and pick it up. All right? This has been the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.